A 4-bedroom townhouse in Aura Gardens. This is my first video of one of these units because Aura townhouses are actually very different inside to the Elan 4-bedroom and 3-bedroom townhouses, which is why it needs a new video. So this particular unit is available on the market. I'm going to turn around the camera and share you the photos and just to get an idea of. It's a beautiful plot, it's a corner plot. We're literally under 1 minute walk from the swimming pool, the paddle court tennis, the kiddies park. So it's really, really nice, very close to the entrance, to the shops, the amenities and the school. So let's check this out. Okay, so here is your front door. So with the 4 bedrooms, you're always on the corner. So here we have it, you can see that is your street and you walk down, this is your private path, you walk down here, this is your front door and this is your garden, and the garden goes right the way around the corner. So let's walk inside. Now, being a 4-bedroom townhouse, we have 3 bedrooms upstairs, they're all en suite, and then downstairs we have a ground floor bedroom. But let's walk in to what you're all waiting for, which is the main living and kitchen area. So here you have it. It's really nice and light. Okay, so here's your garden. Remember, these new properties always come with, obviously, garden not landscaped yet. So that is your blank canvas to create as you wish. You have a little gate to walk out through to the rest of the community. And then here we have it. This is your living area and your kitchen. So open plan kitchen here, all the facilities. Now with the Aura owners, they had a choice of upgrades. So Elan didn't have this. So that means some owners will have the kitchen all fitted, other owners won't. Some owners will have the washing machine fitted, others won't. So these are all additional upgrades. So when somebody is selling you a house, and hopefully that will be me, be very, very wary. If the price seems really cheap, it's probably because it has nothing included. So of course it's much cheaper. That is your front door. And then downstairs we have the powder room. Now that also combines as the bathroom for bedroom 4, which is here downstairs, okay? So this can be bedroom 4, it can be an office or a living area or whatever you want. You've got built-in cupboards, but the bathroom for that is there. And then we have the maids room, and the maids room does look out over to the garage. Again, that's another upgrade, the garage door. Not every house has a garage put on because that they paid extra for. So this is the maids room with a toilet. If you don't want to live in maid, it's a great sort of storage area, maybe even little office, kids' TV room, etc. And then let's walk upstairs. So we've come upstairs, we've got the 3 bedrooms upstairs, and we've got this nice area up here. You could perhaps put a desk or a nice sofa with a TV screen or something. So we've got 2 bedrooms at the front of the house, each en suite. Here we have it. Park is just across the road. We've got fitted wardrobes. We've got a nice balcony there. Here's the ensuite bathroom for this bedroom, nice and spacious. And then 2nd bedroom upstairs, again, that's connecting up to the other bedroom. You've got fitted wardrobes, and here's its bathroom. This one has the bath. So this is the bathroom that will have the bath, because the others have showers. And then we leave the master bedroom till last, as always. So here's the master bathroom. That's looking down to your garden, there's a little footpath there, and then that's the neighbours. Now, you know, don't get too frightened that it's all in your face and you can see everything, because remember, we're a very new community, so the trees haven't grown yet. This is only what the developer planted, like during construction. No one's moved in across, right? You haven't moved in here, they haven't moved in there, they haven't moved in, and they haven't moved in. So everybody starts to create their own gardens and landscaping, and it totally changes the game. So, right, let's just take you outside so you can get an idea of how this looks. That's lovely and quiet. And then at the side of the 4 bedrooms, you've obviously got a corner plot. Okay, and then I do love in the master bedroom here in the townhouses, they've got a beautiful walk-in wardrobe area, so plenty of storage and cupboards, and that's your bathroom. 2 sinks, and you've got cabinets. That was an upgrade, by the way, so they paid extra to put those cabinets above there. And so here we have it, and you've even got a little like station, a vanity station. You can sit up and do your makeup and your hair. Men, you can do what you want with your with your hair as well. Let's not be sexist. And here we have it, there's the storage. So if you want more detail, the Aura townhouses, whether it's a 4-bedroom or a 3-bedroom, or you want to have different details about the twin villas, that's different because they have an extra floor, or you're interested in the detached villas or the mansions, I sell it all. I'm actually an owner here in Aura myself, in Tilal Al Ghaf. So having, speaking from experience as an owner here, a fellow neighbour of yours, and also a real estate agent of 13 years in Dubai, 20 years in general, I'd love to help you next. And even if you don't live here, it doesn't matter because we can do everything for you from overseas. We can have a power of attorney, we do all the legals, get the banking sorted so you don't have to. Take care, speak to you soon.